beauties, and welcome back to my channel. And this video, that's going to be a palette bingo. I love doing palette bingos, and it's been way too far in between them, so now we're kicking it up a notch and doing another one. And today we're doing it with the Certifeye Dynasty palette. I got sent this palette by Certifeye. I did buy their first palette, the Tropical Wonders palette, and then I did get sent this from the company. So thank you so much for sending me this palette. And since I have a lot of palettes right now that I want to test out, I thought that what if I did a palette bingo now and showed you how this works as a first impression, and then I'll do more looks with it and a proper review in like a week or two or so. I hope that's okay. So that's what we're gonna do. This palette is available right now on their site. This is their second palette, and I do have a code with them. It is Angelica. I will leave it down below, and you get 10% off your order. This is a UK-based indie brand, and like I said, this is their second palette. They have already announced their third palette that is coming this autumn, so I'm really excited about this. And I have swatched this palette. I haven't worn it on my eyes, and it swatches like a dream. I have a swatch picture. I'll try and put it up here so you can see. Swatches like a dream, and I've started using those kind of swatch templates, swatch sheets. It's really fun. Oh my god, it's so much fun. I am gonna use random.org. It's the one I used the last time I did this, and and that worked out really good. And this time I'm gonna, that's not how you spell it. This time I'm gonna try and remember to show you. Let me see. There are 18 shades. 1 to 18, and I'm gonna show you so you can, hopefully you can see. Can you see? Let me see if I can zoom in a bit. Now maybe you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna press the first one, and I'm gonna do it like this. So these are the rules I'm gonna give myself. I'm gonna draw 5 colors, and I have to use all of those 5 colors, but I will allow myself to bring in something else from this palette if I feel like I needed to complete my look, but I still have to use the 5 colors that the random thingy-majingy picked for me. So that's what I'm gonna do. And this palette is half warm tones, half cool tones, so I could get something really wacky. My hair is so weird. My hair is like 75% dry shampoo, and then I slept really weird this night. Okay, never mind that. So let's just press the first one. Okay, so it gave me, can you even see this? Yeah, you can. It gave me 18, which is the last color, which makes me super excited. I should really have something to wipe this on. I'll just wipe it on my pants. So this is Emerald, and I am so excited that we're having this color. Oh, such a beautiful dark green. So look at that. Do you see that? Do you see that? Okay, so that's the color we're doing first. I'm counting it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's how I'm counting them. I'm not even showing you because I'm stupid like that. Okay, generate again. And it's showing me, I hope you can see, it's showing me 16. Do you see this at all? I hope you do. It's showing me 16 anyways. And then if that was 16, if this was 18, 16 has to be this one, which I am also very excited about, because this is the color that, after swatching it, this was the color that I was mostly excited about in the palette. So I'm so excited that I get to play with it. It is it's that kind of green I always buy. The light green, super shimmery color. It's really pretty. Okay, I'm wiping it on my pants. Okay, so we're doing third color, and so far it's all greens. Generate. I got 16 again. Wait, let me show you that I got 16 again. You see that? I got 16 again. Now I got 14. Do you see? Okay, 14. So if that was 16, 14 has to be this blue. It seems like I'm gonna do the same look that I did the other day with the Hasina 2 palette. This is Grand, and it is a light blue matte. Really pretty. So that's what this one looks like. Okay, so fourth color is 14 again. This isn't very random. I have a complaint. 15. What is going on with this? Okay, do you see that it's 15? Yeah, 15. This is giving me this is giving me all the colors that I really love to work with. So I mean, I'm not complaining. So it's this color right here. It's called Emperor. It is a darker, very almost like a dark periwinkle, because it almost has like a slight lilac-y tone to it. See, this one is almost like a tiny bit more yellow in it. Not like yellow, but it's leaning more turquoise. This one is just very blue, almost like a purpley tint. Okay, so last color, 13. Oh, that is another dark color, isn't it? Okay, 13. Do you see? 13. No, it's the blue one, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's this one. Did I really get all the... Huh. I got all the color in the bottom. Okay, I like these kinds of colors, but it's like the random one knew me. So it gave me an all green blue look, which is fun, but I was kind of hoping for something else. Am I stupid for saying that? Probably. So yeah, we're doing something with these colors, and I'm probably gonna go in with something lighter as a transition, because I don't want to do blue on the top, because I've done that. I need to think a bit. I'm gonna wash these off. So these are the colors we're doing. I got bingo. These are the colors we're doing. I'm gonna wash these off. I'm gonna think a bit. I'm gonna think a bit, and I'll be right back, and we can start to look. Okay, so I am back, and I have been thinking. So I think I'm gonna do. So I got this, and this. Am I showing you? All the blues and 2 of the greens. I think I'm gonna try and ground this look just the tiniest bit by starting out with Fortune, which is a mustardy brown. It is not a mustard, but it's very, very, very yellow toned beige. So I'm actually gonna start out with that one. That's called Fortune. I'm gonna start out with that one, and then I'm gonna go in with the dark green called Emerald. Oh, I don't have a eye primer on, and just do green on top, and then a blue ombre lower lash line. I think that's what I'm gonna do. And I'll just put the green shimmer on like half the lid and the inner corners. I love how I'm talking about grounding a look that's all green and blue, but that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna put some music in the background like I did with the other palette bingo, and let's just get to it. Okay, so this is where we're at, and this green This green is so nice, like the shimmery one. I really did like the emerald one as well, but it was really actually kind of tricky to blend just these two into each other. I should have put a bit of this as well just to make it a bit more easy. But yeah, overall I'm really liking this look. I will say though that this grand, I think that grand will work better patting on a eyeshadow base that you haven't set and then just blending the edges, because I put it under my eyes and I have powdered under my eyes, and I did notice that it didn't really stick to the parts that I have powdered. So that probably will work better patting on an eyeshadow base that you haven't set with powder and then just blending out the edges. But I am really liking the look, but it's very me. It's just very me. I'm gonna put some eyeliner, some lashes, and something in my waterline as a mascara, and I'll be back, and let's just do a lip then as well. Okay, so this is the look with the lashes on, and I'm really liking this. Although I will say this pretty much looks like a bunch of other looks I've done lately. I thought that me doing a palette bingo on this, I thought that I would get like other combinations, because this is basically a palette of half warms and half cools. I love the possibilities that gives, and also that this is pretty much a jewel tone palette. If you were looking for a jewel tone palette, this is basically it. Add a matte black to this and you can do the most sultry looks ever. I'm very excited about this, and now I feel like I want to do looks with this here. So maybe if we skip these two and I can do like maybe one palette, two looks, maybe something purpley pinky and then something really warm toned, because this color here, Mantle, is so stunning. It's not even funny. Like, it's like a fiery corally orange, super stunning. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put some lips on, wiping more eyeshadow on my pants. L'Oreal did send me more of these Color Riche shines. They sent me 247 Shot of Sun, but I already have that one. Where is that one? Is it? Wait, it could be here. Yeah, here it is. So this is my Shot of Sun. I actually bought this myself. It is a very nice peachy glossy thing. These are gloss lipsticks, and they also sent me Steal the Shine and Blow Your Glow. And these two I didn't have, so I want to use one of these two. What I want to have. These are so... Are these even different? Are these different? Honestly? Wait, let me swatch these. That is almost bronzy. Oh, okay, okay. Now that I've swatched them, I see that this one is more warmy bronzy and this is more cool tone nude. I think I'm gonna go with the cool tone nude. Let me see what that one is. That one is Steal the Shine. I'm just gonna put a bit of lip liner on. This is Liptensity Lip Pencil by MAC in Honey Pecan. I'm just gonna put this on and then the look is finished. This is stunning. Oh, this is glorious. I really love this formula. If you wanted to try the Marc Jacob glossy sticks, these are basically the same formula but cheaper. And the one that I got extra, this Shot of Sun, I'm just gonna put that right now. Giveaway drawer. I'm putting it there for later on. Maybe I'll have a holiday giveaway or something. It's basically Christmas season. But yeah, that is the finished look. That is the first look that I have done with the Certifeye Dynasty palette. I'm very excited about the look though. This is very me, and this green eyeshadow is everything. Everything. So yeah, let me know what you thought about this video. Let me know what you think about the palette. Are you excited about the palette? I will leave a link down below so you can check out how it looks, and also you can check out the third palette that's coming. It's up for pre-order, and if you don't want to pre-order, I'll just let you know when it's being released, because I'm definitely trying that one as well. It looks beautiful. It looks like a vibrant fall palette, and I'm all about that. So I am gonna do more looks with this palette. Don't you worry, I'm gonna do a proper review as well. I just need to try it a bit more, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So this is it. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. My next video is most probably gonna be tomorrow, and I'll see you then. Bye!